If you need to change the WAV bit depth in Audacity, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in a simple and easy way. Whether you're exporting audio for music production, podcast editing, voice work, or file compatibility, choosing the right bit depth can make a big difference in quality and workflow. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Audacity tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump in. First, open your audio file in Audacity. You can do this by launching Audacity and loading the project or audio clip you want to work with. Once your file is open and ready, look at the top menu bar and click File. This is where Audacity keeps the export options you'll need to create a new WAV file with the correct bit depth. From the File menu, click Export Audio. This opens the export window, where you can choose the format and encoding for your final audio file. Next, click Export to Computer. This will take you to the settings where you can decide exactly how the file will be saved on your device. Now, look for the Format box. Click it and select WAV, Microsoft. This is the standard WAV format option, and it's the one you want when exporting a high-quality, uncompressed audio file. After that, click Encoding. This is the important part for changing the bit depth. In the encoding menu, select Signed 24-bit PCM. Choosing this option sets your export to 24-bit audio, which increases the dynamic range and resolution of the raw audio. That means your file can preserve more detail and provide better quality for editing or mastering workflows. If you're working with professional audio or want a cleaner export for future processing, 24-bit is usually the better choice. Once the format and encoding are set correctly, click Export. Audacity will then save the file using the WAV format and the bit depth you selected. Depending on your settings, you may be prompted to confirm metadata or file details, so just review those if needed and finish the export process. And that's it. You've now changed the WAV bit depth in Audacity and exported your audio in 24-bit PCM. This is a quick but useful skill that can help you prepare audio files more professionally and keep your workflow organized. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Audacity tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.